Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all, you don't get these often. I got a good midweek or beginning of the week dessert, y'all. There won't be a Friday night pie of the week this week because I got some another engagement I must do for a church. I'll be letting y'all know that later on this week. But there won't be no videos this weekend, so I'm gonna get as many as I can this week because I got a engagement is very important. I'm volunteering for a church. I'm doing 3 desserts for them, so I really be working hard this weekend to get that done. So anyway, let's get started. I'm doing old school fried sweet potato pie. Yeah, you know I love sweet potato pie. Who doesn't love sweet potato pie? And I'm gonna do the fried version my mom used to do many times before. I'm gonna do it with a biscuit dough, canned biscuit. I'm gonna do some with the pie crust. It's gonna be fried right here in my, which I got heating up right here, my cast iron skillet. So let's get started. The important part of this is the potatoes. Y'all know I had these potatoes last. What made me decide to do this? I had the potatoes come from my Imperfect Food haul y'all saw I got last week, the video last week. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these potatoes. It's very important, if you can, do the potatoes the day before. I did these yesterday, so they be completely cool. I bake them. Y'all know I bake them in the skin. I don't boil them because you don't want them to be that wet. You want to let them set up. All the moisture come out of them. And you don't want them to be that wet. So I'm mashing these up. You just use a fork. I'm not going to use a blender for this. All going to be mashed by hand, y'all. No blender. It's going to be very easy filling. So I take a fork and just kind of roughly mash them up. I'm going to add some melted butter to this. Melted butter, a little vanilla. We're going to add everything to this I normally put in a sweet potato pie besides the egg. I'm not going to put any egg in this. Put that, a little vanilla, a little cinnamon. You know, you got to have cinnamon. A little nutmeg there. There we go. Now I'm going to put 2 kinds of sugar, a little brown sugar, and I'm going to put some regular sugar in here. And then I'm going to taste this after I put the sugar, because y'all know every sweet potato sweetness is different. So after I get it all mixed up, I'm going to taste and make sure it has enough sugar in it. Mix all this up together here, y'all. Like I say, just like making a sweet potato pie, only thing, I'm not putting no egg in it, in the filling here. It's gonna be just like eating a sweet potato pie, y'all, just a fried version. So let me get a spoon here, and see how it tastes here. Oh yeah, just like a sweet potato pie, y'all. Just like a sweet potato pie. Okay, now, I got this done. I'm gonna get a spoon now. Get a bigger spoon here. Mix it up really good. And now, when I put it in my crust, I can use my spoon. Okay, that's done. See how easy that was? Like I say, I bake my sweet potato in the oven, y'all. Y'all should know that, been watching me long enough. Okay, now, I'm going to use these bland biscuits. I can never get these things to open up. Guess I should have opened it ahead of time, huh? Go. Open these things ahead of time. Always, never want to open when you want that stuff to open, huh? Okay, there we go. Got 5 of these, and I'm gonna do 5 of these, and I'll do the other kind with the crust, because I think the crust tastes better than the biscuit. It's all up to you how you want to do yours. Okay, I'm gonna put a little flour on the board here. Flour there on the board. These things don't stick. Okay, put these over here in the back. I'm gonna roll them out here a little. rolling pin here. We're gonna roll them out. Reason I ain't gonna do many biscuits because it's harder. The crust, all I gotta do is put it on there and cut it out. The crust already rolled out. Okay, roll it out about that much. I'm gonna put a little egg wash around the outside. Y'all know your little egg wash is glue. So when I fold it over, it'll stick. Put a little filling in the middle. Not too much. Get my fork here because we gotta push it down. Okay, I'm gonna fold it over here. Move it around. Push the edges down really good so the filling don't come out. I'm gonna show you one more, y'all, and I'm gonna do all these. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do our, we put on a little plate. Put it on a plate here. Set it here to the side. I'm gonna do one more here to show y'all. Down. Got enough flour on your board, y'all. Roll them out there. There's some work here, y'all. Some work here, y'all. Okay. So egg wash around it. Filling in the middle. Push it over here. Come on now, get up in there already. Push it down there with the fork. Filling want to come out of there, don't it? That's okay. That's okay. All right, now I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna finish the rest of them here, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you how I do the. I'll show you how I do the pie crust one. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Okay, I got them all made here. Let me move up a little closer where y'all can see. Okay, you see I got these made. Now I'm gonna go on and, since I got my fire on, go ahead and start frying them, y'all. I'm gonna show you here. Show you here what I got here. Start frying them off there. I turn my fire up just a little. Like I said, these things, they don't take long to fry, y'all. They don't take long at all to fry. Especially if your oil is hot. How pretty those are. Take long at all. That's what you want, y'all. While those are cooking, I'm gonna get my dough open up here, and then I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do my pie dough one. It's gonna be the same concept, but it's gonna be a little. It's gonna be a little smaller than the one with the biscuits. I got my move this over here. Move this up. I got my little wire rack here in the back. So we're gonna put them on when they come off. Let's say don't take long, y'all, on these at all. See that? You don't want them to get too dark. See how it's getting dark on you? It don't take long at all. Ooh. All right. Now I'm gonna put the other one in here. Got one more to put in there. See how quick these are? Ooh, man, they're so light. When you got a good biscuit, canned biscuits. Don't take long at all. Okay, let me roll this dough out while y'all looking at that. Roll this side of here. Hold on here. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. Now, turn this one over. Like I say, y'all, it don't take long at all on these things. And what I like to do when they come out, y'all, hit them with a little cinnamon and sugar. Let that do it while it's hot. Put a little cinnamon sugar on them. Rub that sugar and shit them all over while it's hot. There we go. This last one out of here. Flip it back over that side and put the hot side there. Put that cinnamon and sugar on there while it's hot. Spread it out over there. It's all good, y'all. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, huh? Oh yeah, y'all can see it. See that? See how quick that was? Okay, I'm gonna move these up here on the side here. I got my oil still going. Now we're gonna do the pie crust one. That's an easy, quick dessert right there, y'all. Okay, back over here to the pie crust. Okay, this is gonna be a lot easier because I got a cutter. Only thing, these are gonna be a lot smaller. Because it's got a small cutter. Not gonna be as big as the biscuit ones. These gonna be little bitty ones. I'm gonna turn my fire down just a little. Got one right in the middle there. There we go. Like I say, y'all, it's a nice quick dessert you can have for your kids. What I might do, this is what I'm gonna do to this. I think do them like I do this. I'm probably just put them on top of each other, y'all. So I cut them so small. That's what I'm gonna do. Try something here. Put them on top of each other just like this. So I cut them so small. Get my fork and go around the outside just like this. Put them right in the oil. Now different shapes here, y'all. And the other one I'm gonna cut a little bit bigger, y'all. Cause I cut these so small. See that? Oh yeah. Turn them over there. That's the key of the egg wash, y'all. So the filling won't come out. That's why it's so important with the egg wash. Okay. Put this up here. Definitely don't want them to get too brown. That's very important, y'all. Put this one back over. Back over. Put it on there, put some cinnamon and sugar on there. Put them up here on the wire rack. See how easy that is? Put a little cinnamon and sugar on these. A bit more cinnamon and sugar on these. And that cinnamon and sugar really makes a difference. See that? See that, y'all? So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna finish frying the rest of them off, y'all. We'll be right back and we're gonna try these out. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. I made 3 different sizes, y'all, of these pies here. I got the big ones, I got the little round ones, and I got these little bitty. I did the rectangle one too. Let's open this up and see. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't nothing like sweet potato pie tacos, y'all. Look at that. That nice filling in there. Flaky crust. It's like eating a sweet potato pie, y'all. And the cinnamon and sugar on there really puts it over the top. It's the only fried pie that I'd rather eat cold than hot. Cause you know I like my sweet potato pie ice cold. And what I do sometimes, I'll make about 2 dozen of these and I'll put them in the freezer and just take them and throw them out as I need them. And I eat them cold, y'all. I'm not gonna ruin my dinner tonight. It's my after dinner dessert. So I ain't gonna eat no more of them. But you see how easy that was, y'all. A nice midweek dessert. Just put your potatoes, like I said, put your sweet potatoes on the day before. Cook them all. Put them in the refrigerator, peel them. Put your cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, sugar, vanilla. Mix it up. Cut you some biscuit dough out. And just fry them. Very easy. Very simple. Don't take but 2 or 3 minutes. That's it. But anyway, I hope you liked this little video. If you did, please comment. Please subscribe. Please share. Please give my video a thumbs up. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year is help somebody old school soul food. Like I said, I'm going to do a couple more videos this week because this weekend, like I said, I got a previous promised engagement with a church back in the country where my mama grew up. It's over 100 years, this church. So I promised I'd do them a lot of desserts. They're having like a little barbecue out after church and, you know, kind of get together. So, hey, when it's for church, elderly, or young people, I'm there. You just let me know, give me time, give me some kind of a date, and I'll mark it off, and I'll make sure nothing happens that day except the event that I promised you for. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed old school folk food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.